Gratitude free. In a narration found in Sunan ibn Majah, number 4142, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised Muslims to observe those who possess less worldly things than them instead of those who possess more, as this will prevent them from becoming ungrateful to Allah, the Exalted. Unfortunately, some incorrectly observe the lives of others, which appear to be better than their own life. For example, normal people often observe celebrities and mistakenly believe their life is better. In most cases, this concept is not true, as people who appear to be in a better situation may well be facing difficulties which would make others not wish to trade places with them. An outsider will only observe things from one shallow point of view. But if they could see the whole story, they would realize everyone faces problems, and no one has the perfect life irrespective of what they own or how famous they are. Often this misconception is caused by the media. But people fail to remember that the aim of the media is to paint a certain picture of the lives of celebrities which look appealing to read about. In most cases, if they only reported facts without sugarcoating them, the majority of their customers would turn away from them. Muslims must avoid this false belief, as it is a tool of the devil who uses it to inspire people to become ungrateful over what they possess. The correct mindset which has been advised in this narration will prevent one becoming ungrateful to Allah, the Exalted. Whenever a Muslim feels ungrateful, they should shift their focus to the countless people who are living in severe poverty and facing much greater hardships than them. This will encourage them to be grateful to Allah, the Exalted, for what He has granted them. This gratitude is practically shown by using the blessings one has been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. This will lead to an increase in blessings. Chapter 14, Ibrahim, verse 7.
And remember when your Lord proclaimed, "If you are grateful, I will surely increase you in favor."
The grass is not greener on the other side of the fence. It is in fact green enough on one's own side. Chapter 2, Al-Baqarah, verse 216.
But perhaps you hate a thing and it is good for you, and perhaps you love a thing and it is bad for you. And Allah knows while you know not.
But in respect to one's religion, they should always observe those who are more dedicated to Islam than them. This attitude will prevent one from adopting laziness when they observe those who are less dedicated to Islam than them. Observing others who are less dedicated to Islam can even encourage one to justify and belittle their sins, which is a dangerous path to adopt. Observing those who are more dedicated to Islam will also encourage one to strive harder in their dedication to Islam in order to fulfill their potential. The root of this is gaining and acting on Islamic knowledge. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.